Here we have Definitive Technology new sound cylinder. Very slick looking, very ergonomically designed Bluetooth speaker that you can add to any Bluetooth device for wire-free music on the go anywhere. Handy little foot comes out to stand up. You can mount it on top of an iPod, iPad, laptop computer, anything that's docked, and use it very conveniently. To easily play it, just take any Bluetooth enabled device, sync it by pushing and holding the button, it finds it very easily, and then hit play and you're away to go.
I am stripped of all but pride, so in her I do confide, and she keeps me satisfied.
Volume control is easily accessed on the side, plus and minus, as well as your power. Charges with a handy USB cable.